Hello everybody. In this video, I will give an update on my portfolio and show you all of my positions. Let's get started. Right now, my portfolio is worth $181,105.55. In the past year, I am up $58,991.51. Year to date for the year 2025, I am up $22,948.47. Today was a huge green day for me. As you can see, today I was up $7,267.47. So up over $7,000 in one single day. Let's go over my positions. For my options, I am selling SoFi $25 covered calls. These expire 8/29. My return $2,368. I'm selling AMD $175 covered calls. These expire 9/12. My return $1,935. For my cryptocurrencies, I have Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Avalanche. I got these for free during one of Robinhood's events. And for my stocks, I have 6,400 shares of SoFi. SoFi is at $25.11. My average cost, $5.70. My return, $124,234.05. I have 300 shares of AMD. AMD is at $168.37. My average cost, $176.78. My return, I am down $2,521.50. So, quick and simple, I don't have many positions in my portfolio like I used to. Right now, a lot of it is in cash. So right now, you can see my buying power. I have $120,117.76 in buying power. I'm only using $43,727.12 of margin. So that's why I'm at the buying power I'm at. But yeah, historically, not a lot of margin compared to what I usually use. I know for some of you, 43,000 is a lot of money to be using on margin, but for me, historically, it's actually on the low end for me. As far as what I plan to do, right now, I am just waiting because the one that's coming up soon is my SoFi covered calls. These expire on the 29th. Right now is the 22nd. So only 7 days left until these expire. And are they going to expire in or out of the money? Because it's so close now. Before, SoFi was below $25, but today it went up huge. As you can see, it was only at $23 pre-market, but then once the market opened, it shot up to over $25. So this is the reason why I've gained so much today, is because SoFi went up 7.16% during the day and then another 0.44% after hours. So over 7.5% in one single day gain for SoFi. And SoFi makes up a gigantic part of my portfolio. So I owe a lot of my gains to my SoFi. Now, my covered calls, I chose a strike price of $25, and right now SoFi is at $25.11. So super close. It could go either way. I'm gonna hang on to the SoFi $25 covered calls until the expiration and see what happens, or at least until next week, and I'll watch what happens next week. As usual, if it ends up being above $25 at expiration, I'm gonna roll these out to a higher strike price and maybe a further expiration date, or both. So, because I want to keep my shares of SoFi. So if SoFi ends up being above $25 on the 29th, then I risk getting my shares getting called away. So I don't want that. I want to keep my shares. So I will roll these out if that ends up being the case. If SoFi ends up looking like it's going to end up above $25 at expiration, because I want to keep my shares long term. AMD, on the other hand, this expires on the 12th of September, so a little bit further away. But right now, AMD is below 175. It's at 168. Still kind of close, but not as close as where SoFi is at. Anyways, since it's still below the $175 strike price, I'm just gonna do nothing with these for now and just wait and see what happens. Now, it says here that event contract can't be traded on the web because it only shows up in my app on my phone. So I can't show you guys on here, but I'm just gonna tell you guys. So I made a big bet on the prediction markets. I made a bet that Bitcoin is gonna stay below 125K for this month. So if Bitcoin stays below 125K for the rest of the month, I'm gonna make some money. And if it doesn't, then I'm gonna lose the money that I put in. So right now it's at 116. It is the 22nd, so that means 9 days left to go in the month. We'll see what happens. But that's what I did for my prediction market bet. I bet that Bitcoin is gonna stay below 125K. Who knows? It got really close recently. It got up to like 124K, I think. Yeah. Around the middle of August, it went up to like 124K. So who knows? Maybe it will reach 125K. We'll wait and see. But there's only 9 days left. What's going to happen in those 9 days? It will determine where my portfolio goes. I might lose a lot of money. I might make some money. We'll see. Anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on in my portfolio, where my portfolio is at, and what I plan to do. And that's pretty much it. I'll keep on making more updates, so if you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, so I'm going to keep on making more updates. But that's pretty much it for this update. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.